Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I've made probably a video like this before, but this is for stitching leather, let's say. So I've made a hole to stitch through at 0.515. I don't know what shape he's doing, but this will pretty much work with any shape. We're going to take the inside ellipse or circle and turn it into a curve, which I've already done. And then if you go to Windows and Dockers and go to Properties, right here is your curve, and that inside circle just happens to be 21.96. So it's really close to 22. So if we want these an inch apart, we're going to go to Effects and Blend, and we've already got two circles. That's one thing you always got to remember. This is asking you for how many objects. You want 20 blends. And just to kind of prove that, I'll have to do that later. Then go down here to New Path, click on that path, blend along full path. Now these things should be an inch apart. Of course, that would be way too far apart for stitching. If we zoom in here and get the parallel dimension tool, go from that center to that center, we're at 0.99. And let's back up here and let's say we want them a half an inch apart. Well, we would need 44. We've already got 2, so we just need 42. Hit apply, go back to new path, put it on the inside path, blend along full path, hit apply. Now if we zoom in, that ought to be really close to a half of an inch apart, if not a half an inch apart. And from center to center, they are a half an inch apart. And you could make them a 1/4 inch. Of course, then your hole might start tearing out, and that's to be determined. But you could do this with any shape. You know, it doesn't have to be let's say it's a elongated shape. Matter of fact, let's make it a little bit harder. And let's take a straight line and let's put a flat side on that. Let's use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Let's left click, right click to get an outline. So now we have this shape. And let's say that's the shape we wanted to put stitching around. All you have to do is go to Object, convert it to I guess it's already a curve. Because of that, what we did, let's go to Effects. Now let's go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and look at the path. And we are at 1680. Just for the video, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger to get, so I don't have to use a calculator. Okay, there's 17.5, let's say. 17.5 inches long. Let's get the blend tool. Let's ungroup this, and we'll use the same circles. You can see my original two are still there. You don't have to do that, but I'm going to hit B and put them on the same parallel line. Let's go to Blend. And I said 17.5. So let's get out our calculator, 17.5. Let's say divided by, let's put them a half inch apart, divided by 0.5. We need 35 holes. So we've already got 2, so we want 33. Hit apply, blend along new path. Blend along full path. And there you go. And there's even a way, and I could show you in another video, and to get them even on the corners, you're pretty even. The best thing, and you could actually make them perfect, but the best thing to do would be to just, if you're doing a weird shape like this, let's make sure we selected it all. Go up to Object, break blend apart, go up to Object again and ungroup, and then just take this one and move it down to that corner. Now you might say, well, there's a big spot between those two. That's not really a problem if you wanted to make them all look the same. You could take this one out and this one, take that one out and take that one out, and just take these two and blend just two and hit apply, and now they're exactly spaced out apart on that side. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.